back to another video. I hope you guys had a great and hopefully healthy 4th of July with your family and friends. We kind of just hung out around here. It was kind of just like another day, you know, but everybody was busy, so it's not a big deal. We did see some fireworks though, which was pretty cool. Today we're gonna be doing another meal plan video. So before I jump into this video, I just wanna make a quick announcement. This weekend from Thursday to Sunday, all of my books are 40% off. So if you've been wanting to get any of my recipe books, now is a very good time. My best-selling weight loss guide, Lean and Clean, is on sale for only $17. My Let's Get Saucy book, which has over 55 vegan sauce recipes, is only $7. My first ever recipe book I ever made, Real Food, Real Simple, I think has over 80 vegan, whole foods, plant-based recipes, and that is only $11. And then our Instant Pot book is $10. You can also get the bundle of all of my books for only $38 this weekend, which is a steal. So I will leave the link to that down below. This applies only to ebooks. We don't have any control over our paperback books on Amazon. The margins are just like super small, and it's a self-publishing kind of like distributor, so we don't really have tons of room there. So this is only on the ebooks on our website. And I just want to say, if you guys already have our ebooks, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Derek and I really appreciate it, and we really hope that you guys love and enjoy the books. Alright, so today we're going to be doing another meal plan video. I always feel like I want to reiterate before these videos, this is not like if you eat exactly this food, you'll lose a bunch of weight. It's more to give you guys ideas of how to put together low calorie dense meals that are really filling and full of, you know, really good carbohydrates, tons of veggies, lots of fruits, things like that. But yeah, this isn't to be followed like to a T. Obviously everybody has a different height, different weight, activity level. You know, some people have 3 kids running around screaming all day and like they're constantly busy and they need more calories than somebody who has a sedentary desk job. So just kind of use this as meal ideas and tailor it to yourself and your caloric needs. But as always, I will leave all the calories, macros, recipes, everything down below for you guys, and let's jump into the video. Today for breakfast, we are going to be making carrot cake oatmeal. If you guys have never had this, it's really good. Like, don't let the carrots shy you away. So we're just gonna add 2 cups of water and a cup of oats into our saucepan. And then we're gonna add 1 shredded carrot, a little bit of vanilla. You can add a dash of salt if you like a little bit of salt in your oatmeal as well. And then we're just going to cook this until the oats absorb all the water. So I like cooking oats on the stovetop because you can either make them like really thick or you can make them really thin. I like my oats to be really thick because I like to add a lot of stuff at the end. So once this is done cooking, we're just going to transfer this into a bowl. We're going to add a little bit of maple syrup, which you could add just like whatever fruit you like, dates or banana for sweetness as well. And then I like to add a little bit of plant milk because the thick oats just like soak it up and it's so good. And then I just add a couple chopped walnuts on top of here, but you could also add some ground flax or chia seeds, hemp seeds, whatever kind of healthy fats you like. For lunch, this is one of my go-to just super quick healthy meals. So we're gonna prepare some potatoes. You guys have seen me do this many times. I just take my Instant Pot and add a little bit of water into the bottom in a steamer tray. And then I add in as many potatoes as I can fit into this thing and cook them for 10 minutes. And then I just leave these cooked potatoes in my fridge. And whenever I want fries, I have them already pre-cooked and I chop them up into little fry shapes. And cooking them this way just keeps the center of them really soft, but it makes the outside really crunchy, so it's really good. I'm gonna just season this with the juice of half a lemon and a ton of garlic powder because I love this like combo lately. I call it garlic fries. Add a little bit of salt, just toss that together, and then I throw these in my air fryer for 15 minutes on the highest temperature, and they come out really crispy. So with that, it's zucchini season. I have a ton of zucchinis in my garden and I've just been loving them lately. They're so easy to cook and very filling, nutritious, great. And they're on sale obviously because they're in season right now. So I just throw these in my Instant Pot with a little bit of water and then I just saute them until they're cooked, so it takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Throw those on the side of my bowl, sprinkle a tiny bit of sea salt and black pepper, but you could obviously use like curry powder, any other type of seasoning, and then just throw your potato fries on the side and you have a super easy, super filling, delicious lunch. So for dinner, we're going to be making Spanish rice. We're gonna start by adding some garlic and onion into our Instant Pot with a tiny bit of water and just saute that for 5 to 6 minutes. Add in 1 chopped red bell pepper, some fire roasted tomatoes, and a little bit of water as well. And then we have some chili powder, paprika, and cumin, and a little bit of salt. So you can make this with brown rice or you can make it with white rice. The cooking times are just gonna be a little bit different, but for brown rice, I usually do 18 to 20 minutes in my Instant Pot, depending if I'm like really hungry and want to naturally release it or not. And then we just really like to eat this with a bunch of lettuce, some fresh garden tomatoes. You could throw avocado on here. I have my red pepper sauce on here, which I'll link below as well. And it's just a really delicious filling dinner. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have not already gotten our books and you're interested, check them out at the link down below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.